Hi, it's Sonny Mander here from Vieunite. I'm here at the Holiday Inn in Telford. Recently they took 7 of our Vieunite Pro canvases. That's 2 in the lobby area, 27-inch, 1 outside the Olive Tree restaurant, 3 27-inch canvases in the washroom, and finally a brand new 55-inch canvas in the reception area of the hotel. I caught up with David Coe, the operations director of the hotel, and this is how it went.
Very positive. The professional image of it is what's amazed them, and their ability to be able to do their promotions to our guests. It's the ease of use, the ability to change your promotions on the go. No matter where you are, you can just click and change your promotion. Super easy. Even training the staff, it takes 5 minutes to show somebody else how to upload digital content, so it's ready to go. You can even program it so to upload it. You can show videos. It's got the sound. Yeah, great. So we've been able to advertise anything that we're running promotional wise within the hotel to our guests, Christmas promotions, leisure club prices, any sort of general guest information, updates on our hotel refurbishments. It's the clarity of the image. It actually looks like a piece of artwork. Using the artwork that we've got access to, the frame around the artwork, it just looks so professional. I would definitely recommend Textura to other new businesses.